Today I will be using the book Gobs of Gum from the Piney Pals decodable book series. If you don't have this book, this is not a problem. Remember, you can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant G. I'm going to say 3 words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully because I want you to tell me the sound that is the same in all of the words. I will say the word, you will echo the word. Okay, are you ready to get started? Here we go. Gobs. Got. Gum. What sound did you hear that was the same in all of those words? That's right. You heard the G sound. Let's grab our mirrors and let's take a look to see what our mouth is doing when we make the G sound. Get your mirror and hold it up to your mouth and say G. What is happening? You're right. Your tongue is on the top or roof of your mouth towards the very back. And when it drops down, it kicks out or pushes the sound G. Now, I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want you to see if you can feel a vibration. Let's do this together. Make the sound G. Did you feel that? So did I. So we know that G is a voiced sound, and when we make the sound, our tongue is on the top or roof of our mouth towards the back. When it drops down, it kicks or pushes out the G sound, and it is a voiced sound. Go ahead, put your mirrors up. Now I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to use your eyes because I want you to look very carefully to tell me what letter you see that's the same in each one of the words. G, O, B, S. G, O, T. G, U, M. What letter do you see that is the same in each one of these words? That's correct. You see the G. Today, we will be focusing on consonant G. Let's read these 3 words. Gobs, got, gum. Today, when you read the book Gobs of Gum, you will have a chance to see consonant G and make the G sound. You know that you make that sound when your tongue is on the roof of your mouth towards the very back. And when your tongue drops, it kicks or pushes out the G sound. And you also know that that is a voice sound. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.